I decided to dedicate this vlog to Mental Health Week, creating your own happiness. Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice, and it's your choice. Being a happier person is controlled by you. You just need to remember that you are in charge of your own happiness. Today I popped into the supermarket to get a few groceries before I start work. If you want to hear my top happiness tips, keep watching. Happiness is an inside job, not a feeling you get from outside influences. You have control on how you feel, and only you have the control of your happiness. So creating your own happiness can be very easy, but it really depends on your mindset. You just need lots of patience, because we all have good days and bad days. So keep watching if you want to hear my top happiness habits. Remember to eat breakfast every morning to help boost your mood. Create your own morning and evening routine to help you to stay organized. Dedicate some time every week to spend on you. Drink lots of water throughout the day so that you stay hydrated. Always ask for help if you need it. Always try to see the good in others. If this is not possible, remove yourself from that situation or remove the person from your friendship group. These are my top happiness habits. I hope you find these tips useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.